Hello there. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about what's a CPN and how to use it. And this video was uploaded by Shamika Saves, so credits to you, buddy. Now we're going to play her video and we're going to open our own thoughts and opinions when it comes to having our own credit profile number or credit privacy number.
Well, first of all, what does CPN even stand for? Well, I can tell you this. They have so many different things that they come up with for this acronym, but I'm going to say the CPN stands for a privacy number. A certified privacy number.
It can be a credit profile number or credit privacy number.
So here we go. So CPNs, you will find a lot of people that sell them. You'll find a lot of people that'll tell you they're completely legal and that there's some type of United States code that says that you can have this privacy number. And I can tell you right now that there is no other 9-digit number that you are supposed to use to represent who you are except a SSN, a I-10, or a EIN. Okay, that doesn't mean that people don't create CPNs. They do. Why do they create them? Because they have torn up, their credit is jacked up, it's effed up, messed up, and instead of fixing their credit, they need to get something instantly, and they go and buy a CPN.
I think she's saying that CPNs are only for these people who are torn up, but in reality, it's not for people who are only torn up. You know, many people in the government use CPNs to protect their privacy, to secure their privacy. For example, people who are in the witness protection program should have their information private and secure just to make sure that they're safe. Okay, so that they're not trackable by these criminals. So they have the permission to use the CPN. As long as you are using it in a legal way, there would be no problems. We can also use that. Anyone can use that. And as long as you are using it the right way, then there's no problem about using a CPN.
What?
Now, yes, you can buy CPNs. They range, I've seen them start at $200 and have gone all the way up into the thousands, depending on how it is built.
Okay.
It's not only for people with bad criminal records.
Okay. We have two opportunities, business credit and personal credit. You don't have a reason to use a CPN, but some people are greedy and they want to.
No, I would like to react on this part. People who are using CPNs are not greedy. Not all. Okay? If your intentions are good, then you are not greedy and you are using CPNs.
That is how they falsely build their credit, and that is for rich people and for poor people. That is, it really has absolutely nothing to do with race. If it's a man or a female, it has everything to do with greed. And some people don't want to wait to get to where they need to be. They want it now. And a CPN is that now.
CPNgenerator.com. Go to our website and we can explain to you everything that you want to know. Okay, your questions, we're going to answer that.
When I say tri-merge, if you ever heard tri-merge, that means that the number is registering with all the three credit bureaus that they have, and they, as in the federal government, created task force that actually work with the Social Security Administration, they work with IRS, and they work with a lot of these credit card companies, and they are now trying to track people down who are using the CPNs. Why are they doing this? Because so many people have used CPNs and have not paid off the debt.
So they're not using it, like utilizing it in a good way. And of course, it's just right for the government or whatever to trace them. Okay? One should be tracked if they are not like doing anything bad.
The chances of you getting caught are much smaller. If I'm out running up $20,000 and $30,000 in American Express bills and I'm not paying them back, somebody's going to take note and start to do an investigation.
Sure, you have to be sure that you're really going to pay. You're a man of your own word, you're a woman of your own words. You got to decide in a way that you're sure that you can pay it back, okay? We will really have a problem if we are not paying back on time, and if we really are not paying back. Of course, we are seeing that, okay? And many people see that, and maybe if time comes that they weren't able to pay it, then they deserve to be tracked. They needed to be tracked because they weren't paying. Well, again, if you want to ask us about these kinds of questions, again, you can check us out at cpngenerator.com.
Okay.
Okay? So no need to be scared, and of course, we advise you to know everything first before if you use it with good intentions, of course, then that's good. Then that's legal. Okay? That's just our main point about it. So, if you gotta make sure, we have some websites out there that could be helpful to know if your CPN is valid or invalid. Again, if you remember the videos where we discussed the date of issuance and the death file, so if there's 0 results, then you can use that number, and we have more to discuss about it. That's all for this video. I hope you learned a lot from our comments and opinions. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying until the end. So that's all, and goodbye.